Hey, I'm Jory Pai, and welcome to Baked In. If you've ever felt like you're behind on AI or like there's way too much noise and hype, this channel is for you. I'm not here to show you 100 random tools or viral tricks. I'm here to show you how AI is actually baked into my real life and real business day after day. In this video, I'm going to share three things. First, who I am and why I'm obsessed with this stuff. Second, what you can expect from this channel. And third, how you can start using AI more effectively in the next few weeks just by hanging out here. Let's start with the quick backstory. I've spent years in the world of technology and modernization, working with companies that are trying to upgrade old systems. I build new digital products and figure out how to move faster without everything breaking. I've been on the enterprise side, I've worked with service businesses, and I've built my own products and experiments along the way. So I've seen both sides. I know what it's like to be inside a big organization where change is slow and painful. And I know what it's like to be a solo builder or small team trying to ship something useful before you run out of time or energy. When AI really started to get good, something clicked for me. I realized this wasn't just another tool category. It was something that could sit across everything I do: planning, research, writing, product design, sales, client delivery, content, and even how I think. So I started to treat AI like a serious teammate. At first, I did what most people do. I asked for ideas. I asked it to rewrite things. I asked it to summarize articles. And that was fine, but it wasn't life-changing. The big shift happened when I stopped treating AI like a magic trick and started treating it like a system. I started building repeatable workflows. I created reusable prompts. I connected AI into my planning tools, my product experiments, and my client work. That's when it went from interesting to I can't imagine working without this. And that's what Baked In is all about. So what exactly is this channel? At a high level, Baked In is a place where I document and share how I actually use AI to build and run things in real life, not theory, not hype. There are a lot of creators who do amazing deep dives into the technology or quick tool reviews. That's important, but it's not where I add the most value. My lane is taking AI and baking it into real workflows for founders, consultants, small business owners, and builders. If you're trying to start or grow something, that's who I'm talking to. On this channel, you'll see three main types of videos. The first type is workflow breakdowns. These are videos where I show you exactly how I use AI for something specific. The second type is business workflows and systems. Here I'll focus on how AI fits into lead handling, onboarding, and internal engines that run your business. The third type is build with me sessions. We roll up our sleeves and build something together: a voice agent, an internal tool, or a small app live on screen. Underneath all of this, there's a simple philosophy. AI is not here to replace your brain. It's here to give your brain leverage. If you have good judgment, AI lets you explore more options. My goal is to show you how to think about AI so it actually compounds over time. In the very next episodes, I'm going to show you my current AI stack for 2026, my weekly planning system, and a practical 7-day plan for your business. And a behind-the-scenes look at how I'm using a digital clone like the one you're watching right now to create content at scale. My promise is simple. You'll walk away with concrete workflows and more confidence. If that sounds like your journey, hit subscribe and tell me your biggest AI challenge in the comments. Welcome to Baked In. Let's make AI part of how you actually live and work. I'll see you in the next video.